Although trading has closed on the 16th of July, 2025, we always do our disclaimer. We'll go over our calls and make our predictions. It's my trading plan for Thursday, which is July 17th, 2025. Please trade at your own risk. I can be wrong. Look for the pattern with the early high, which is this. Tends to be a rally day with a high and a fine lower. So we got the normal pattern, and tomorrow should have the early low. This is a reminder of what we said. We said it's just a matter of time until we drop lower. That's still true. Didn't mean we had to drop lower today. This is not really part of the normal daily pattern. There was a news announcement here that Fed Chairman Powell was going to be fired, and then when it was announced he wasn't going to be fired, everything came back. Technical analysis can't really predict news announcements like that as far as I'm concerned. We're in a situation where I'm kind of leery to take any long position. I think this high is going to hold. I think the one thing missing from the pattern here is that usually at a major change in trend, which this is possibly going to be, we normally leave behind a failed MEJT target, and we don't have one here. Now, it's not an absolute rule, it's just something which normally happens. If we start to drop like this, and I thought at this point we were going to have a failure with a straight line drop. If you wait around for the pullback and you don't get it, you're going to regret it. So I didn't take this long, even though it certainly worked. During the day, we got an ultimate sell, an ultimate buy in the morning pattern. All these moves, including this big drop, were called false. It's almost a lock that when you see that, by the time lunchtime comes around, which is 12 to 1 Eastern time, you're going to be within the range of these bars at some point, measured from here. And I knew the rule down here, but I thought that might be a failed target. It wasn't. But I don't mind if I missed a winner, as long as I don't take a loser. MEJT said this drop is false, and that's already played out. So we've already had all today's patterns play out. It's the normal rally day, but trying to move to my next thing here. It's giving me a hard time. Even though it was a rally day, we couldn't clear any of the highs from yesterday's reversal. So as far as I'm concerned, this drop confirms yesterday's move down, and it's just backing and filling if you can't get some higher highs. Now maybe we'll get a higher high tomorrow. I don't know. But for right now, it's backing and filling, and at some point I think we're going to break lower, probably significantly lower. Now, we still haven't broken through this trend line. We originally thought that was going to hold, so I can always be wrong until we break through it. But the sentiment indicators I'm seeing are just too negative. I don't think we're going to have much of a rally from here. I think it's also possible to count 5 waves up. I don't think it's pretty. I'm not a big fan of leading diagonal triangles, but it doesn't break any rules. I think that's the count, but if someone else has a different one, I wouldn't argue with them. Well, tomorrow's pattern has really low, which doesn't tell us where we open. Today's rally couldn't clear yesterday's prior highs, so for now at least, it's just backing and filling, and the lower lows confirm yesterday's reversal. Should be a matter of time until lower prices print. Even if they don't print tomorrow, I can't say they have to print tomorrow, but it shouldn't be too much longer based on the sentiment indicators I'm seeing in addition to the wave count. the timing, the Carolan stuff, the DeMarc stuff, the Woodson stuff. It's just too negative a picture for me. It's a pattern with the early low tomorrow, and that's today's call.